A heavy-duty bottle jack is an indispensable tool designed for lifting and supporting extremely heavy loads with remarkable efficiency and safety. Built with industrial-grade materials such as high-strength steel, this jack is engineered to withstand immense pressure, ensuring reliability in demanding situations. Its compact, bottle-shaped design allows for easy portability, while its robust hydraulic mechanism delivers smooth, precise lifting with minimal effort. The jack's wide base enhances stability, reducing the risk of tipping under heavy loads, and its adjustable height range caters to a variety of applications. From lifting vehicles during roadside repairs to supporting heavy machinery in industrial settings, this tool is versatile enough to meet the needs of professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. With a focus on durability, it resists wear and tear even in harsh environments, making it a long-term investment for those who demand dependable performance. In addition to its structural integrity, a heavy-duty bottle jack boasts user-friendly features that prioritize safety and efficiency. Many models include built-in safety valves to prevent overloading, protecting both the user and the tool from potential damage. The ergonomic pump handle ensures smooth operation, while the precision-engineered piston minimizes fluid leaks, maintaining consistent hydraulic performance. For added convenience, some versions feature a screw extension for additional lift height, accommodating a broader range of tasks. Whether used in an automotive workshop, construction site, or garage, this jack exemplifies the perfect blend of power, portability, and practicality. Its robust capabilities empower users to tackle challenging lifting tasks with confidence, knowing they have a reliable and effective solution at their disposal.